Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Dengue Dengue disease. First, let us see why is it in the news. Recently, a mysterious disease called Dengue Dengue has been identified in Uganda, specifically affecting women and girls with symptoms that include uncontrollable shaking similar to dance movements. Let's know the symptoms of Dengue Dengue. Primary symptom of Dengue Dengue is the excessive and uncontrollable body shaking, which strikingly resembles dance movements. Additional symptoms include persistent fever, extreme weakness, difficulties in walking due to severe body tremors. In some cases, affected individuals have reported temporary paralysis, adding to the severity of the condition. The cause of Dengue Dengue has yet to be determined, with possibilities ranging from viruses to environmental elements, but no confirmed source has emerged. Let's now discuss what is a virus. Viruses are non-cellular structures that contain their genetic material, either RNA or DNA, encased within a protein shell known as a capsid. They are inactive outside of a host. However, once they enter host cells, they exploit the cellular machinery to replicate themselves, frequently resulting in the destruction of the host cell. Let's discuss the classification of virus. By host. Viruses infect diverse organisms including animals, plants, and bacteria. Based on their structures, viruses can vary from simple helical and icosahedral forms to more complex, enveloped, and intricate bacteriophage forms. Based on nature of nucleic acid, viruses are categorized into DNA viruses such as adenovirus and herpes virus, and RNA viruses such as picornavirus and orthomyxovirus. The Baltimore classification system groups viruses into 7 categories depending on their replication strategy and the nature of their genetic material. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following best describes the function of the viral capsid? It aids in the synthesis of viral proteins. It serves as the metabolic center for the virus. It contains the viral genetic material, or it acts as a reservoir for the virus's energy storage. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.